Biomed Innovations and Heat Biologics, both in high gear for a global crisis. Biomed is an organ donation medical device company with facilities at Research Triangle Park that is now creating low-cost ventilators. The device will free up other ventilators needed for extremely ill patients.
So what we thought is if we could provide a ventilator that could support the rest of the population at a level of airflow, oxygen flow to the lungs that was sufficient to maintain their needs before they needed to go to the extreme level of the hospital ventilators.
Biomed has already lined up a number of local manufacturers and hopes to soon produce as many as 1,000 a week.
And we think we can provide this source that could really ease the burden, hopefully locally in North Carolina, nationally, and perhaps even globally.
Also out of RTP, Heat Biologics is working on a COVID-19 testing kit and a vaccine. In collaboration with the University of Miami, the potential vaccine is based on a similar platform of a therapeutic vaccine used for cancer patients and what is used to combat Zika, malaria, and HIV/SIV.
So it's a very powerful, robust platform that activates the T cells or the soldiers to go and invade cells that are infected with the virus or infected with cancer.
In the meantime, scientists at Heat Biologics are also developing a simple test that can detect COVID-19 in just 30 minutes.
A physician can read it on site. We don't have to send the test. There's no heavy machinery required to read it, no labs, no technician. If you see one strip, just like a pregnancy test, it tells you that you don't have the virus. If you see two lines, it tells you do have the virus.
I asked both CEOs, Sharif Gabriel and Jeff Wolf, why they feel it is so important to step up.
We as a company want to do all that we can to help stem this pandemic with a vaccine and a diagnostic.
It's really good to have something to focus outwards on, to be able to commit and contribute yourself and your team towards making a greater good.